Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix you are not connected to any networks Windows. First method is, click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network Troubleshooter. Click Next to continue. Second method is right network icon, click Open Network and Internet Settings. Click Change Adapter Settings. Click Enable. Third method is, type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Restart your computer. Fourth method is click Start, Settings. Click Network and Internet. Click Network Reset. Click Reset Now, SIC Yes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.